What's going on, YouTube? Donnie here to show you how to do a cabin filter on a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. So that's what it looks like. Has those slots for the cover to go in. You'll need a flathead screwdriver. You come over here to the passenger side underneath the glove box, and you'll see one little clip, and it's a flathead. You just take that, twist that off, and there's another one that's not even all the way in there. But so you got two of those. You take these off. Sometimes you can get them by screwing them off with your hand. Others you need a flathead screwdriver. So you take both of those out. There's only two of those. I just set those down. Again, there's only two of those. And then there's this felt pad. You can see right here. You just take this pad, pull the pad on down. Come on out of here, pad. There you go. Pull that on out of there. And then the cover is right here. This is the cover. You take this and you just pull it towards the outside of the car. You can see those little, these right here, this is the cover, and that goes through the little slots on the cabin filter itself. But you pull this down. Yep, that's filthy. You just pay attention to how it comes out. It comes out just like that, with the slot facing towards the outside of the car. And you just install the new one the same way you pulled the old one out. So there's the slot. Put that up in there. And there we go. So it should be flush, just like that. And you take the cover, and they should be facing that way, and you insert the cover in those slots. Okay, the slot should be pointing that way. I had it wrong. So once you go in the slots, you push this all the way up like so. You slide that forward, just like that. And yes, towards that end, you should see the little felt pad sticking out that creates the surface. But that's exactly how it should look. You take that cover, and after you get the cover up there, you take the felt pad and you put that back on up in there. And that's how it should look. That should be a little more right there, just like that. So it should look just like that, smooth. And you put your little plastic screws back up in there, and you tighten both of those down. And I still got one more to go, but you guys see how you do it. So that's how you install a cabin filter on a 2011 Volkswagen Jetta. When you're not recording, it should take under 2 minutes to install, remove and install. If I helped you out, give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you like, and thank you. Hope I helped you out.